Good day guys! Our topic for today is calculator technique about solving for logarithms. First is ihanda muna natin yung calcu para mas masundan kung paano natin ma-evaluate yung isang logarithm. These are the examples. Find the value of the following. First is yung number 1 is log base 2 of 25. To enter this one is find natin yung click this one. After that is enter yung base 2 and 25. Then equals, therefore this is the answer, 4.64386619. Next is log 1000. This is also read as log base 10. Pag wala siyang nakalagay, it is 10 of 1000. Log this one. After that is enter yung 1000. Tingnan natin sinusulat or nilalagay yung base 10 equals 3. Next is number 3. Log base 24 of 235. Log base 24 235 equals, then yung answer is 1.779 1.717902152. Number 4 is ln of 12 is equals to 2.48490665. And last number is number 5. Log base 6 of 490. Log base 6 of 490 equals, then the answer is 3.457163,474. And ganun lang kadali maghanap ng value ng ating logarithms. Just hanapin sa calculator yung logarithm or yung log. Makikita nyo siya dito sa side na to. Then yun, enter nyo lang and equals. Then makukuha nyo na yung value ng logarithm. I know it is an easy tutorial, but I hope is may natutunan kayo for today. Thank you for watching and see you on our next tutorial.